Yo, what's going on, everybody? Hope you guys are having a blessed day. And by the end of this video, I will show you how to get a supercar. But in all reality, man, like, I know this shit is achievable, but you gotta be you gotta be an individual that is, bro, everything had to align for me to achieve this shit at 21. I was broke fucking for pretty much my entire life, man. This shit did not come. And people telling me, oh, daddy's money, whatever. How much proof do you want that I'm fucking making money online from trading? You guys are fucking idiots, bro. Whoever says that bullshit of like, oh, daddy's money, whatever, bro. Like, you just came from a rich family. Oh, you look Middle Eastern. Look at you, bro. I'm here to talk from no notes, just what I'm thinking right now. And hopefully I can get you guys to the point where you guys also buy a supercar like this, bro. Because this shit did not come easy, bro. It's fucking work after work after fucking work, bro. And if the top is not on right now, for those of you that think it's a convertible, it's not a convertible. It's a hard top. But the Corvettes made it so you can take off the top, and the top is right there. So they also have a compartment if you want to take off the top part of the car, and you can store it in the back. So that's a nice feature. But let me get straight to it. So you pretty much have to be aligned, and some shit has to happen in your life where you start waking up and you start to identify you're taking responsibility and accountability for your life, and you're pissed off with the fucking situation that you're in. I did not get to this point from me being fucking complacent. If I thought I was complacent, like, oh yeah, bro, I'll just make some good money in a career and just get out of fucking college with a degree and be good. That's not how you fucking supposed to get a car like this, bro, at a young age. If you're gonna get this shit at 21, 22, 23 years old, bro, 24, 25, bro, because for a man, up until he's 30, he's pretty much like fucking, you're so young as fuck, bro. You're young as fuck. A man is young at fucking 30, bro. For you to get to the point of having all of this, first you have to take accountability and responsibility for your life. I'm gonna wake up at 25 and expect that you're just gonna have this life next year if you're working super fucking hard, which doesn't even make sense, bro. Dude, people coming up to me saying, bro, like, you're fucking young as fuck having this car, bro. There was an entrepreneur that I follow. His name is Andy Frisella. Dude's a fucking baller, bro. But he keeps saying that at 24, 25, 26, you're not even supposed to be having a supercar like this. It was a podcast. I'm pretty sure I can link it down below if anybody wants to check it out, or some other shit you want to hit me up. But he's a really good motherfucker, bro. He's really good at what he does. He's a good ass entrepreneur. He helped me along the way, and all respect to him. But he said, you know what? You're not even supposed to, if you're coming from the dirt, you're not even supposed to be having a car like this, bro. It's not supposed to come your way at 25. You're not supposed to have a supercar collection at 25, let alone a supercar fucking, dude, all of this shit just comes with fucking time, bro. As a man, if you do the right things, you put in the fucking work, it's gonna come with time. You just gotta let that shit fucking go. And if you're focusing on the task day by day, you will get there, bro. It's just a matter of time. Also, there's another thing that I'm going to say real quick. So for anybody thinking that, hold on, let me just set my pre, because I'm about to go hit the gym right now. All right, you know, we got to get some shit flowing right now. For anybody who is wondering, okay, so this guy's telling me to take accountability, responsibility for my life. I'm pissed off at the life that I have right now, and I can't be complacent. Okay, what's the next step? Well, you already know what you need to do, bro. It's okay, for you to get a car like this, what do you need? You need money. Okay, go find a fucking business model that works, that you can do. It could be anything. It could be trading. It could be real estate. It could be you selling a product. It could you be fucking marketing. It could bro, there's so much fucking things out there, bro. Like, just pick one. Copywriting, fucking affiliate marketing, just, bro, on and on, bro. Just go pick a fucking business model, get good at it for fucking 2 to 3 years. If you're really fucking good, you can get at it in a year and a half around there, which I seen very few people pull that fucking shit off. If you're really good at this shit, you'll achieve the fucking life that you're wanting to achieve, bro. It's just a matter of time. And then from there, you can keep scaling, right? And then some bullshit comes along your way, you get better, you keep throwing fucking, people keep throwing punches at you. It's just the way it fucking works. It's a law, it's Murphy's Law, where if some shit's gonna go wrong, most likely it will go wrong. And you gotta keep going at this shit relentlessly. You can't be a fucking bitch and pussy out at a specific point in time where if you just stayed a little bit longer, you could have been fucking, you could have made it to the other side. You can't be a fucking pussy in this game, bro. And this is what I keep telling other people, especially from my area, bro. I came from a small town, dude. It's fucking ridiculous out here, bro. Like, I tell people, okay, this is what I'm gonna do. Follow the same business model. I even help them out along the way, bro. And guess what? Fucking quits, bro. People quit when this shit gets hard. And I'm telling you right now, bro, if you fucking want this shit, there's gonna be a point where life is gonna test you. And you can be either a fucking quitter or you can make it to the other side, bro. The choice is fucking yours. And I don't want to make this video too long, bro. It's just a quick fucking video of me explaining how I got this car at a young age. And it just goes back to the fucking basic principles, bro, of entrepreneurship, of how you need to respond when shit hits the fucking floor, and how you gotta be resilient, bro. I can name you other traits, character traits that most entrepreneurs have already developed, skills that they have already developed, but it would be for a long ass video and I don't want to do that shit. I want to keep it short and simple, and you can eventually achieve a fucking car like this, bro. It's just you putting your head down and fucking working, bro, there's no fucking time for you to go party, go do all this shit. You really think, bro, I had time to go fucking party, bro? You really think I had time to go fucking party, dude? Come, bro. Some people just don't want it like that, dude. You don't want it the way I want it, bro. And it's cool, man. It's cool. This is just gonna weed the week out, bro. If you want to party, you can go party, bro. I'm not trying to fucking help those who, okay, but you're gonna miss out on the parties and the girls and all this other shit, bro. I don't give a fuck, bro. As a man, you can do all this shit later on, bro. In your 20s, just fucking put your head down and grind, bro. Work, you know? And if you're 14, 15, fucking 13 watching this shit, just know that age is just a fucking number, bro. You can get to work. Don't make this shit an excuse. Don't be like, okay, most people tell me at 20 I should be fucking good, and then I'll start the grind at 20. You should fucking start the grind right now, bro. I started this shit, my self-development journey. It started back in fucking when I was, if I can truly remember when I was building my body, it was back when I was 16, right? My mindset was still a little bit, you know, fucking, I was still trying to, here and there, I will click on the motivational videos, whatever, bro. But in all reality, I wasn't training the way I should have. My mind was still fucking, I was basically like a brokey. Put it that way. I was a brokey. And I needed to fucking level up. And I wasn't reading. I wasn't doing all this other shit. I fucking hated reading, bro. And it's not until I picked up a book of self-development, Napoleon Hill, Think and Grow Rich, and I started reading, right? I started reading. I picked that up. Audio. I began with audio, right? David Goggins, No One Can Hurt Me, or I'm pretty sure the title is Nothing Can Hurt Me, or something around those lines. Correct me if I'm wrong. But it was one of the first ever books that he has written, and it has helped me out tremendously. I got the audiobook, and it just helped me a lot throughout my fucking journey and the way I'm running things now. And it's just so many things that he goes over that it's just helped me so much in life and business and all this other stuff that I deal with. But bro, if you are going to fucking do this shit, start young, bro. Don't be a fucking idiot and think that, okay, if I start when I'm 20, 21, I'll be able to get this shit in 2 to 3 years. It's not like that, dude. Sometimes your journey might just take 5 years for you to fucking come out the wound and fucking boom, you get a car or you get a house or whatever you want. And for you to make that type of money, technically you are in the 0.01. You're fucking deep in that fucking, you're rare amongst fucking people, man. You're not a fucking common individual if you're thinking of pulling this shit off. You're going to have to struggle. You're going to have to sacrifice. You're going to have to fucking do all these things. And I'm not here to fucking tell you things that I didn't already do. I already did these things, bro. And I'm telling you, this is how if I were to start over again, bro, this is how I would do it. And to speed up the process, bro, you can't be one of these people like, okay, I know that whenever I first got into IM, that's how I started my journey, you know, network marketing, and they were supposed to teach you how to trade and all this other shit. But that's how I started my journey. I literally thought this shit was a scam at first, bro. I thought it was a scam, but think about it. You are complaining because you think it's a scam, but you're just joining a program for $150. And don't get me wrong, bro, this network marketing company, this is when I truly started my journey of becoming an entrepreneur, is when I joined IM Academy. As silly as that sounds, I know the company's going through some shit right now. It's not even called IM Academy anymore. It's some other shit. But forget about that. But for you to start in this journey, bro, you just got to take action. That leads me to my other point. And if I can fucking tell you something for you to walk away with, and this is my main point, is for you to fucking take action, bro. Take fucking action, dude. Don't be one of these motherfuckers, bro, that talks about what they're gonna do and then they don't fucking take action. You're just fucking pulling yourself in a deeper hole, bro, by you doing that. You're delaying the time and you're not fucking saying what you're gonna do. You gotta fucking put yourself in that fucking hole where you're gonna take action and you're gonna do this shit no matter what. Bro, how else are you supposed to fucking get this life? You know? So that's what I did. I fucking put myself in the deep end and fucking came out of it, bro. So if I can do it, you can fucking do this shit too. I wasn't born fucking special, bro. It's kind of funny, man. As soon as I got this car and people started fucking, like, the clout, a little bit of clout started coming in and all this other shit and all the status and the fucking, and people want to now start talking to you again and shit. It's fucking... They didn't know, bro, that back then, like, most people didn't even give a fuck about me, bro. It's how it is. It's how this fucking game works, you know? But that's what I want to say. And you can do this shit too. It's not impossible. Impossible is just another word for I am possible. I could achieve this shit. I could fucking do this shit if I really want to. If I set my mind to a certain goal, I can do this, you know? But back then, I had the mindset of a fucking chump, bro. Imagine if I had this mindset, right? The mindset that I have right now. Back fucking in high school. Bro, right now I would have been a fucking millionaire. Easy. Back then, I should say. I would have been a fucking millionaire by the time I fucking went to college or some fucking shit like that, dude. I would have been on my way to becoming one. Because this shit is just fucking, it's repetition, doing the work, and then boom, fucking, you just gotta let time do its thing. Alex Hormozi, another example, bro. This dude fucking went broke twice, but he fucking stayed in the game. He kept going. And then 5 years later, boom, he had a business model that he corrected because he was in the game for so long that he found the smaller things that you need to adjust. And you can't find these smaller things if you're not fucking in it consistently. You cannot find these little things that you need to adjust if you're not in the game consistently. And he did find these little things, right, that he needs to adjust. And boom, somebody paid him fucking 10K one day. And then boom, another person paid him another 10K. It's just the way it fucking goes, bro. You need to fucking go at it. Okay, boom, you learn. Okay, mistakes, learn. And then you find the little things that you need to adjust. And then boom, you fucking pop off and you fucking do this shit successfully. But this shit won't happen if you're not putting in the work consistently. And truly, if you were putting in the work consistently, like most of you guys say, oh, but I am fucking grinding, I am doing all this shit, and I'm doing this shit every day. Not really, bro, because you can fool me, you can probably fool all your fucking loser friends, bro. You can fool as much people as you want. Guess what? You're not fooling yourself, buddy. Yeah, and I can tell, bro. I can tell from a mile away if you are doing the work or not. Because if you are doing the work, you would already start to learn the fucking terminology, learn everything that you need to do about your business model, learn fucking whatever it is. And if you're in trading and we're having a conversation, but you still don't know what divergence is, you still don't know what an engulfing candle is, you still don't know what a pin bar or this other shit, the EMA, like as simple as that, bro. Some people still don't fucking know that, even when they're trading for quite a while, as this should say. If you don't know this shit, supply and demand, support and resistance, all this other shit, bro, it just tells me that that you don't give a fuck about this, bro. You truly don't. You don't fucking want it. And it's cool, bro. Some people they were born to lose. And I shouldn't say that in a harsh way, bro. It's like you're born, but you're just here to fucking do a job that somebody else. So you're basically building somebody else's dream, bro, at the end of the day. If you're not here to fucking build a company, you're not here to help other people, what the fuck are you here for, bro? You're going to get stuck in the system and then build somebody else's dream, dude. Don't be one of these fucking dickheads that goes and fucking doesn't do shit with their life, man. I'm here to inspire people to go ahead and fucking start the thing that they're wanting to start, but they don't want to. But like I always say, man, entrepreneurship comes with, if you want the fucking reward, right, you're gonna have to take the fucking risk. No risk, no Rari. So if you want the fucking reward, go for the fucking risk. If your life is not hard yet, purposefully putting yourself in a situation where you're going to fucking make it difficult, where you're going to fucking, cause dude, none of this shit came easy, bro. It's not comfort where you're supposed to be. You're supposed to be in an uncomfortable situation. But you can do this shit, bro. You need to fucking take accountability, responsibility for your life. Get pissed off by the life that you are in right now. And then start taking action. Start identifying the business model, take action, do what you need to do to find these ways. Just search up online, Google, find ways how to make money online. Boom, it fucking gives you a list of ideas. Fucking start something, bro. And find the people. If you're already an entrepreneur and you're going in that direction, you already know some people in your space of like, okay, he's doing this, he's doing that. Okay, he's running gyms. Okay, what he's doing is he's doing brick and mortar, real estate. Okay, fucking find areas to go and fucking attack, bro. So that's what I gotta say. And it's no risk without reward. So if you really want this shit, you'll make it happen, bro.